In this video, I'll be sharing with you 7 math tricks that will actually blow your mind and help you perform calculations more quickly and easily, even without using a calculator. So, are you ready to give your mathematical skills a boost? I'm Max Friend, and in this channel we are helping, teaching and motivating students and teens with new videos every week. So consider subscribing if you're a student or teen watching this video to join the awesome family. Now let's start with something hard and tricky. Can you subtract 764 from 1000? Here is a simple trick to subtract a large number from 1000. Subtract every number except the last number from 9 and subtract the final number from 10. Example, subtracting 764 from 1000. Step 1, subtract 7 from 9, which is 2. Step 2, subtract 6 from 9, which is 3. Step 3, which is the final step, subtract 2 from 10, which is 6. Your answer is 236. Simple. Now try subtracting 457 from 1000 and leave your answer in the comment section below. Now, there are many students who find it difficult to remember the first 7 digits of pi. Okay, let me ask you a question. What's the first 7 digits of pi? Time up. To remember the first 7 digits of pi, now count the number of letters in each word of the sentence. How I wish I could calculate pi, which is 3.141592. Simple. And now, whenever your teacher or classmate asks you about the numerical significance of pi, just say, how I wish I could calculate pi. Simple. Now, let's get into the multiplication world. Multiplying by 5. When multiplying the number 5 with an even number, there is a quick and simple way to find the answer. For example, multiplying 5 times 8. Follow these steps. Step 1. Take the number being multiplied by 5 and cut it half. So, cutting it half, you have 4. Step 2. Add a 0 to the number to find the answer. In this case, the answer is 40. So now is your turn. What's 5 times 40? You can pause the video if you want. When multiplying an odd number by 5, the formula is a bit different. For instance, 5 times 7. Step 1. First of all, subtract 1 from the number being multiplied by 5. In this case, 7 minus 1 is 6. Step 2. Divide the number 6 by 2, which is 3. Step 3. Now make 3 the first digit and 5 the last digit. The number produced is 35, which is your answer. Multiplying by 6. What's 4 times 6? If you are multiplying 6 by an even number, the answer will end with the same digit. The number in the tens place will be half of the number in the ones place. So, in the case of 4 times 6, dividing 4 half is 2. And remember, your answer will end up with the same digit you are multiplying by 6. And your answer is now 24. Multiplying by 9. There are 2 simple ways, or let's say tricks, for multiplying any number by 9. The first method is quite an easy method that is helpful for multiplying any number by 9. And here is how it works. Let's use the example of 9 times 7. Step 1. Subtract 1 from the number that is being multiplied by 9. In this case, 7 minus 1 is 6. And now, 6 is the first number to the answer of the equation. Step 2. Subtract that number from the number 9. So, 9 minus 6 is 3. Now, 3 is now the second number to the answer of the equation. So, therefore, 9 times 7 is 63. Simple. Everyone knows you can count on your fingers, but did you realize that you can use your fingers for multiplication? Well, I don't think so. Another simple way to multiply any number by 9 is to place both fingers in front of you with all thumbs and fingers extended. This method is called finger multiplication method. To multiply 9 by a number, fold down that particular number counting from the left. For example, 9 times 5. You have to fold down the 5th number counting the 5th finger counting from the left, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You now fold it. Now counting from the left, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 times 5 is 45. Okay, let's try this. To multiply 9 times 6, bring out your fingers, all fingers and thumbs extended. Now fold the 6th finger, which is this one. Counting from the left, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now your answer is 54. You see how easy it was? So which method will you use in multiplying by 9? The first method or the finger multiplication method? Please let us know in the comment section below. Multiplying by 11. There is also a quick trick to multiply any two-digit number by 11, and here is how it is. Step 1. Take the original two-digit number and put a space in between the two digits. In this case, let's use 43. Step 2. Now add the two numbers together and put the results in between the two digits. So the answer to 11 times 43 is 473. But if the numbers adds up to a number with two digits, don't panic. Just insert the second number and add 1 to the first digit. And here is how it is done. For example, 11 times 57. Adding 5 and 7 gives us 12, and it's a two-digit number. So what we do is insert the second number, which is 2, in the space and add 1 to 5, which gives us our answer as 627. Let's talk about tough multiplication. When multiplying large numbers, if one of the number is even, divide the number in half and double the second number. Wait, if you've learned a lot from this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Now, this method will solve this problem quickly. For instance, consider 20 multiplied by 250. Step 1. Divide 20 by 2, which equals 10, and double 250, which equals 500. Then multiply the two answers together. So your answer to 20 times 250 is 5,000. Because you've watched to this very minute, I'll be giving you a bonus trick, and it's called division tricks. Here is a quick way to know when a number can be evenly divided by these certain numbers. A number is divided by 2 if the last digit is a multiple of 2. Example, 98. A number is divided by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Example, 642, because 6 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 12, which is divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits are divisible by 4. Example, 5,468, because 68 is divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 5 or 0. A number is divisible by 6 if it passes the rules for both 2 and 3. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Example, 4,968, since 4 plus 9 plus 6 plus 8 is equal to 27, which is divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 10 if the number ends in 0. And finally, a number is divisible by 12 if it passes the rules for both 3 and 4. Copy that. These math tricks will help you become a maths guru and a mathematician, but you really need to know that in maths, the more you practice, the more you learn. So if you're having problem in maths, watch this video to know why you fail maths. And if you're a maths guru looking for ways to get straight A's with simple studying tips, watch this video. I explain simply the best ways to get straight A's with simple studying tips, even without straightening your head. So watch this video. I'm Max Fred, and in this channel we are helping, teaching and motivating students and teens with new videos every week, just like this one. So consider subscribing to learn more and more from this channel, and I will see you in my next video. But don't forget to motivate yourself today. Have a great week and have a great day.